Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OPPO Reno15 Pro. In this video, let me tell you how to fix a black screen or frozen system on this device. To fix black screen or frozen system on your OPPO Reno15 Pro device, you have to perform force restart. So how to perform it? You have to press and hold power button and volume up button simultaneously for about 10 seconds until your phone vibrates and restarts. Keep pressing. Okay, so now we can release your fingers. A logo of OPPO appears on your screen. Let's wait a little bit until your phone reboots. After this, your phone should work normally, as usual. So that is basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful. And if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.